Self-preservation is the first law of nature. The function of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of the one who prays. For a successful technology, reality must take precedence over public relations, for nature cannot be fooled. Your body is the church where nature asks to be reverenced. External nature is only internal nature writ large. Miracles are not contrary to nature, but only contrary to what we know about nature. Human nature is not black and white but black and gray. If you can't be in awe of Mother Nature, there's something wrong with you. You may drive out nature with a pitchfork, yet she'll be constantly running back. If people think nature is their friend, then they sure don't need an enemy.